learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Petago Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 洪。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. When Alice is here, we want to teach you a very practical phrase. And this month, it's all about can I or can you. 我们常常如果要拜托或者要做什么事情，可能会说可以吗？
对，做得吗？
做得吗？做得可以，好像不是这两个字哈。
如果我们会写的话，一般我们会写做得吗？
就做事的做得，可不可以做这件事就对了。Oh, that's so interesting. In the Hakka language, when you say can I, literally the words are can I do something, doing something. 做得吗？
对。
好，有的时候是我可以做这个事情吗？我可不可以请假？比如说在工作的时候，有的时候呢，可能身体比较不舒服，还是说你有什么事情你想要请个假，
然后下午就想突然请假。
对 ，Let's say this afternoon you want to take some time off from work. You want to ask your supervisor or your boss, "Can I take some time off this afternoon?" 下午想请假可以吗？
下晝想請假做得嗎？
想請假做得嗎？
下晝想請假做得嗎？
下晝想請假做得嗎？做得嗎 We already taught you. That means can I? 請假叫做
請假
OK 不要跟老板呛下哦，
不可
你要很温柔有礼貌的说可不可以呛尬一下。
可是老板会问你事情做完了没？
也是啦，对 You have to finish your work in order to take some time off. So the boss might say 事情做完了吗？ Have you completed your work?
事情做後忙。
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 事情做後忙，做後就做好了没有就对了哈。做後忙 That means have you done your stuff for today? And of course, if you want to take some time off, the answer should be 放心，都做完了。Don't worry, it's all done.
放心都做好了。
都做好了。今天 Alice 要请假，所以都好有礼貌的感觉啊。That means 放心，对不对？Don't worry about it, it's all done. 都做好了，不错。希望这个老板呢是开明的老板哈，准假了啊。All right, let's review some of these phrases right here, such as 请假 take some time off,
請假
做完了吗 completed,
做後忙
and finally don't worry 放心啦。
放心
Okay, that means don't worry. And this whole month we're teaching you how to ask can I 可以吗？
做得嗎？
And now if you have a Hakka supervisor, a Hakka boss, you can do it in Hakka and maybe you can get that day off, all right? That does it for today's Petago Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.